We all the time follow new technologies and try to integrate them in our daily work so we both can get more efficient but also maybe get a better result in the fields. My name is Nikolaj. I'm a manager on Skaber Næs. We are here in South Sweden where we grow around 3,000 hectares in a lot of different crops. We have wheat, barley, peas, sugar beets, potatoes, and different varieties of grass seeds. We have, of course, the weather, who changes a lot of rainy periods and then a lot of dry periods. So it's about having good efficiency. I have been at Skaber Næs for almost 2 years, and my daily work is planning the work, keep an eye on the crops, make everything, sure everything is running. It's a little special because we have the distance. We have about 30 kilometers from outer side to outer side, so there are a lot of driving around and keep an eye on machines. We have a lot of different horse machines here. We have cultivators, 2 seeders, Pronto and Avatar, and then we have 2 sprayers. We use digitalization for a lot of different things. We have it on our tractors to keep monitoring the work they're doing. We have it in our combines to follow them. We started using Horse Connect when we got with 2 new sprayers. In season, I use Horse Connect every day, a lot of times during a day, because it helps me with my work, but I don't have to call the drivers all the time and ask, where are you, how far are you? It's just take the Horse Connect, look in the app, and then you can see how many hectares there are left. The Horse Connect is very good to go into details, so we can follow the fuel consumption, see the amount of water they're driving. I can see the height of the boom, how many hectares they have done. And in the end of the day, I can go into analytics and see what they've been doing the day, so we better can calculate our economy on machines. We are also using horse control, so that we can start and stop the sprayer when we are walking around it to check nozzles and see if everything is working before we start our sprayings. I choose to work in agriculture because I like the working day. You are inside at the office doing things, you are out digging the soil, growing crops. You work a whole year, and then in 3 weeks you first get your result.